How to stay motivated every day. Motivation is the driving force behind each one of us. Motivation is an important aspect of achieving success in our personal and professional lives. Without it, we can't accomplish anything, big or small. It can be tough to stay motivated every day, especially when things are challenging or hectic. So, let's dive in and explore some tips and strategies to help us stay motivated every day. Set a clear goal. First and foremost, it's important to set clear goals for yourself. These can be short-term goals, daily goals, long-term goals, or a combination of all three. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve and why you want to achieve it will give you a sense of purpose and keep you focused. Write down your goals somewhere you can see them regularly, and remind yourself of them whenever you feel your motivation starting to slip. Positive mindset. It's important to have a positive mindset. Our mindset plays a crucial role in our motivation levels. If we have a negative mindset, we're more likely to feel demotivated and discouraged. On the other hand, a positive mindset can help us stay motivated and optimistic, even in the face of challenges. So, try to focus on the positive aspects of your life and work, and reframe negative thoughts into positive ones. Surround yourself with supportive people. Another important tip is to surround yourself with supportive people. Having a strong support system can help us stay motivated and encouraged. Seek out people who believe in you and your goals, and who can provide you with constructive feedback and encouragement. Avoid negative and unsupportive people who can bring you down and drain your motivation. Create a routine. Another way to stay motivated is to create a routine and stick to it. When we have a routine, we develop good habits and create structure in our lives. This can help us stay focused and motivated, even on days when we don't feel like it. So, create a daily routine that includes time for work, exercise, relaxation, and other activities that are important to you. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself both mentally and physically. Exercise, healthy eating, and good sleep habits are all crucial for maintaining a positive mindset and allowing your body to function at its best. When you feel good physically, you are more likely to be motivated mentally as well. Break things down into smaller. Another great way to stay motivated is to break things down into smaller, more manageable tasks. If you're feeling overwhelmed by a big project or goal, break it up into smaller chunks and tackle each one bit by bit. This will give you a sense of accomplishment as you go along and prevent you from feeling like you're in over your head. Take time to reflect on what you've accomplished. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Take time to reflect on what you've accomplished, and give yourself a pat on the back for all your hard work. This will give you a boost of motivation to keep going and reach even greater heights. So, to sum up, staying motivated every day requires setting clear and achievable goals, having a positive mindset, surrounding ourselves with supportive people, creating a routine, and taking care of ourselves. By incorporating these tips and strategies into our daily lives, we can stay motivated and achieve our goals. Thanks for tuning in, and I wish you all the best in your motivational journey.